My friends are 3G, sir. My mobile is not 3G, sir.
Okay, your friend 3G or not 3G?
Yeah.
So you want to become 3G?
No, sir, I am not pickup, sir. I want 3G, sir.
Okay, you want 3G service.
Yeah, 3G.
So first you have to activate a 3G service, then you can make a 3G service pack recharge and then you can use 3G. So I know the 3G service procedure, please note it down.
Sir, actually, what is 3G, sir? 3G and 2G, sir?
Sir, please dial *3#.
Okay.
Within 2 hours 3G will be activated and you will get a confirmation message also. Later on you will be in 3G service. Okay.
Okay.
Your friends will also be in 3G service.
Sir, but my friends are all 3G, sir. This mobile is not 3G, sir. It's only 2G.
Okay, your friend mobile 3G, your mobile no 3G you are telling, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so regarding
What?
you have to buy a new 3G mobile itself, but you cannot activate video.
My mobile is 3G, sir. My mobile is 3G only.
Then,
My mobile is 3G only, sir. My mobile is new mobile. It's 3G. It's
okay, sir, you see, sir, 3G handset itself, but you want to activate a 3G service, right?
no, sir. But my friends are 3G, sir. What? Why, sir? This
Okay,
is,
sir, which language are you comfortable in? Hindi, English, Kannada?
sir. I am Malayali, sir.
Sorry, sir, no Malayali here.
So,
So, sir, if your handset is a 3G service, but you have to have a 3G
sir, my mobile is Samsung, sir. It,
Sir, your handset is a Samsung, you are a 3G, your friends are a 3G.
Yeah.
You want to activate a 3G service?
Hmm.
Please activate a 3G service by dialing *3#. The 3G service will be activated. Later on, you can use 3G with your friends. Then you are also 3G, you also 3G.
Sir, but this is not good, sir, because Aircel is our village and country, sir. But this facility is not good, sir. But 3G, but my friends.
You have the opportunity to use the 3G service. Can you please activate a 3G on your number? I'll tell you the feature to activate a 3G service.
Last time somebody customer care executive this told, but I dialed one number and they not activate 3G, sir. Same.
If you activate a 3G service from our side, it will take 24 hours to activate.
No.
If you activate from your side, it will take within 2 hours the service will be activated.
No, this is not good, sir. I already see, sir. I 2 times I already activated this service, but not this mobile. My mobile is not 2G. My friend's mobile are always 3G.
Okay, sir, can you please tell us right now you are in a 3G network, like you are unable to browse in 3G or you are unable to get 3G network, or what the reason?
Last time I always recharge 3G recharge, but 2G is coming, but 3G is not coming.
Okay, you made an activation of 3G service, but you are getting a 2G speed. You are not getting 3G speed.
Yeah, correct, sir, correct.
It's because you have activated 3G packs in your number, 1 rupees and 17 rupees. That's the reason you are not getting the speed. Please deactivate 1 pack and use in 1 pack, then you will get the speed.
Deactivate?
8 rupees pack, you deactivate 8 rupees pack.
Okay.
Then 17 rupees will be activated and you will get your speed.
But my friends are 3G, sir. The same money, my friends are 3G, sir.
Sir, I know your friends are 3G, you are in 3G. But you have activated 2 3G packs. That's why you are not getting speed.
But not getting, my friends activated single 3G. He is speed 3G. But I am activated, sir. 1 minute, sir. I am activated 2 3Gs, but I am not speed. Why, sir? This is not good. I also give money. They also give money. But money is money, sir. But this is not good, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir. So you tell me, sir. I told you, and you tell me. This is the problem.
Sir, I you are not getting the proper speed because you have activated 2 packs, 8 rupees and 17 rupees. So please deactivate 8 rupees pack and you'll be having only one 17 rupees pack. Okay. After having a 17 rupees pack, your speed will come up. And the thing is, please delete all the cookies and cache memory on your handset.
What cooking?
Visiting it, there is the cookies and cache memory saved on your handset, like it's a temporary browsing file.
No, sir, this is not because I also give money and activate 3G, but then I cooking. But sir, this is not because I activated 2 times. See, sir, otherwise other SIM is not problem. This SIM is and also one problem I am facing, sir. The signal problem is there, sir. And somebody time not giving signals, not signal, sir. Hello.
Sir, I can understand it, sir, but you will get the speed if you deactivate one pack and if you clear all your cache memory and cookies. Then only you will get the speed and all. Without that, you cannot access to the speed, sir. Since you have not deactivated the pack. Since there are 2 packs added, simultaneously you cannot go through it, sir.
That is right, sir. Where is the customer care, sir? Aircel customer care, where is, sir?
Bangalore, sir, Kormanga office.
No, I am in there only, Mangalore only. Mangalore is customer care?
Mangalore customer care. Wait, sir, I'll give you the address. It's near Mangalore, right, sir?
Mangalore.
It's opposite to the Empire Hotel.
Empire Hotel.
Yeah, opposite to Empire Hotel. Shop number G3, G4, Mangalore Road. It's the Empire Hotel.
Okay. Sir, so I am deactivate 3G right now, sir?
Yes, sir. You can deactivate 8 rupees pack and you can go through in 717 rupees pack.
Okay. That film not coming film, only coming chota film. Bada film is not coming, sir. That is main problem.
Bada is not coming, only chota is coming.
So
it's
that.
not, like your handset may not support it, bada, only it may support chota. So for this I'll give you a GPRS helpline number. Please note it down.
What note it, sir?
Dial 198 and choose option 425.
25, 1 minute, sir. I will note it, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Please note the number, sir.
Tell me, sir. You tell me. I also tell me.
Sir, dial 198 and choose option 425.
Dial 198, then 425 dial.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So this will connect to our GPRS section. They will assist you with that. Okay.
No, sir. I don't GPRS. I want 3G, sir. GPRS.
That's what, sir. It's a 3G number. Dial to that. They will give you right information over there. Okay.
Okay. Also, I am not signal, sir. There signal not coming, sir.
Okay. Please to the network setting. Choose Tata Docomo network.
Tata Docomo?
Network.
No, sir. This is not Tata Docomo, sir. This is Aircel. Why you Tata Docomo? I Aircel, sir.
Sir, I am Aircel only. I am Aircel executive. You are telling that you are not proper network. So please go to the network settings. In network settings, choose network option. In that, choose 802 or a Tata Docomo option. Then you will get a good network and you can use Aircel service.
No, sir. I don't want.
Sir, listen to me, sir.
Okay.
1 minute, listen to me, sir.
Sir.
Since Aircel has tied up with the Tata Docomo for a network purpose, okay, for a network purpose, Tata Docomo will support our network. So please choose Tata Docomo, then you will get full network.
Sir, this is not Tata Docomo problem, sir. This is problem is Aircel, sir. Problem I know well, you well know, but you don't know Tata Docomo. I don't know Aircel.
That's what, sir. If you choose that network, you'll get good network thing. If still you are facing a network problem, please call back to us. We'll take a complaint regarding this. Okay.
But I have the problem, sir. Problem is problem. You know, problem is everything. You are problem also. I am problem also.
Okay, sir. Please visit Aircel outlet showroom. They will assist you with that. Okay.
This where that showroom, sir?
In Mangalore, opposite to Empire Hotel, it's there's a shop number E334.
He there I can give 3G and signal, sir.
Yes, sir. You go there. They will tell you what to do.
Okay. Though,
Thank you for calling Aircel. Good night.
sir, 1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one problem is I have one problem, sir.
See, sir, if you have any problem, please visit Aircel outlet showroom. They will tell you what to do and they'll help you over that.
No, sir. I also one time I go into customer care, but he is not give proper answer, sir. That's what I calling.
You go there, sir. They will give you a proper answer over there.
What, sir? Because I am in there in Udupi. Udupi is a big not city.
You visit Mangalore, they will give you right information over there.
Mangalore.
Thank you for calling Aircel. Have a nice day. Good night.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Otherwise, I again problem. This not good, sir. Your problem, I am problem.
See, sir, you are telling your problem. I cleared it. Again, you have some issues. Please visit Aircel out showroom. They will resolve your issue. Okay.
Sir, but problem is everyone is problem, sir. You are not problem. I am not problem.
Sir, I can't understand your language, sir.
Sir, I am English. You are English, sir. But
Sir, I am also English. You are also, but I can't understand your English.
why, sir? I also talk English. You also talk English.
Sir, see, sir, you also talk English. I also talk English, but I can't understand what you are talking in English.
Sir, but
I can't understand your concern. That's why I am telling you to visit the Aircel outlets.
he is talk English. I also talk English. But I have 3G.
We both are talking to English, but I can't understand your concern, sir.
So I do what I do, sir.
Outlet showroom.
Oh, sorry, sir. Because I one day I salary 500. That I going Mangalore. So you are giving 500, sir? Hello. Sir, hello.
Yes, sir, I can understand, sir, your issue. But please,
But
go
why
and visit our Aircel outlet showroom, sir.
Udupi and Mangalore about 500 kilometer.
Please, sir.
This kilometer
Okay, sir.
I
am
traveling
transferring your call to
1
our
day, 2 day.
supervisor. Please be online.
Sir,
Sir,
hello.
I'm transferring your call to our supervisor. Please be online.
So okay, sir. Okay, sir. Hello, sir. 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
You are escaping, sir.
I am executive. I'm transferring the call to our supervisor.
No.
Please be online.
No, sir. You are executive, but you don't know proper answer, sir. I don't know proper 3G. You don't know proper 3G.
Sir, that's why I'm just connecting the call to our supervisor. He will resolve your issue and he will tell you what to do. He will tell you every proper answer. Okay?
Supervisor? Civil supervisor, sir?
Sir, my supervisor. I'm transferring the call to my supervisor.
No, sir. There are supervisor, many supervisor. I see many supervisors and executive engineers, sir. But
But here we have one supervisor who will talk to you now. Please be online. I'm transferring the call.
you are not supervisor, sir.
No, sir. I'm not supervisor.
Why, sir?
Sir, please be online. I'm transferring the call.
Oh, sir. He know.
Mobile say myaccount.pocketInternet.in
ഇടിച്ചു വീണ്.
പെണ്ണാണ് നോട്ടെ കേട്ടെ. മൈ മൊബൈൽ